okay. Okay, we're gonna do the ultimate fart soundboard challenge. Okay, yeah, okay. Okay, you ready?
I'm gonna lose so bad.
Okay,
No,
no,
you're going
I
first.
don't know, you first, okay?
Okay, so we have to explain the rules.
Okay, so this is basically what we're gonna do. I'm gonna pick a little fart noise.
We can smile though, but
You can smile, but you can't laugh. If you laugh,
like if you let out a laugh,
you like lose a point or something. I don't even know. We're just gonna do this because
we need paper to keep the score.
No, we don't. This is just gonna be for fun.
Okay.
But you can't. You're not supposed to laugh, but you can smile. So you can be like.
No, you can't cackle like that. Yeah, you can do that. But if noise comes out, then you're done.
Okay, and you gotta play it twice if it's a short one, and once if it's a really long one.
Unless you want to listen to the really long one again.
Unless you really want to, let's do it again. Okay.
You have to say the title of it too.
I know.
Okay.
Okay, this one's gonna be called the donut cream filler. Donut cream filler. Okay. I didn't lose.
I'm very proud of myself.
Oh my god. Okay, ready?
Okay. This is called Jurassic Farts. Okay. Jurassic Fart.
Turn your volume up all the way. Okay, it's your turn.
Nobody got a point for that.
Here, in case one of y'all pisses on yourselves because y'all laughing so much.
My mom brought us some Cottonelle Fresh White. Okay, wait. Okay, this one's called BMX Lax. You know what a lax is, right? Okay. I'm dying. Okay, it's fine.
I don't even think we're doing this right, but whatever. This is called Monica, You is Stinky. Once again, Monica, you is stinky. Why are we doing this?
Okay, this one's called Ready, Set, Blow. Once again, Ready, Set, Blow. Oh my god, that's hilarious. Oh my god.
Okay. This one's called Dueling Buttholes. I don't even want to know. Dueling Buttholes.
This one's called Cluckin' Chicken. Oh, once again. Clucking chicken.
Why was it longer that time?
Oh.
This one's called. This is the one that she played. Anus Madness. It's not even done yet. Make it stop. 6 whole minutes? 1 minute? Oh god. That guy needs to go to the doctor. Let's not play that one again.
This one's called violinist. You know what that is, right?
Yeah. I'm not stupid. How is that funny?
Once again, violinist.
Can we find another soundboard now?
Thanks for watching, you guys.